As someone who's really into cosplaying, I thought I'd give you this tutorial. So obviously, if you see the title, then you're gonna see that I'm gonna show you how to make Kirito's black sword. But you're gonna need a few things first. So let me show you. You're gonna need some paper, a marker, any color, doesn't matter, some scissors, some spray paint, some headphones, a hair dryer, and of course you're going to need your willingness to learn. So let's get right to it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your piece of paper and your marker, and you're going to want to do an outline of the sword. Now, obviously, you're probably thinking, this is a really small piece of paper, and how are you going to make a sword out of it? Well, you can use a poster board if you want an actual life-size sword, but I'm giving you a really short way to do it in a kind of easy way, so... Alright, so the outline doesn't have to be perfect, unless of course you are a perfectionist. So this is the outline that I'm using for my sword. So once you get your outline together, you're going to want to cut it with the scissors. Alright, so...
それは春の真っ最中絵も家のまま輝いていたどんな言葉もどんな手振りも足りやしないみたいだその日から僕の胸には嵐が住み So I cut out my outline for the sword, so now we're ready to move on to the next step.
Alright, so now that we got our sword outline ready, you're going to want to take the spray paint and you're going to want to spray it. So shake it up before using it. Give it a good spray. Get a good thorough spray on it. Alright, and you're ready for the next step. So the next step is pretty important. It's going to be really tedious and time consuming. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your headphones and listen to some of your favorite jams while you use the hair dryer to dry the spray paint. This could take a few hours, so bear with me. Damn thing won't turn on.
And I didn't have the words to speak, but all I knew was Daddy's gone, and we're not going home.
72 hours later.
And what do you know? After just a few short hours, we have our Kirito black sword complete, and if I do say so myself, pretty nice looking. As always, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want. I don't know, maybe I'll do more tutorials in the future. Hook it up.